Hi there. So here are the AirPods Pro clones. Now I got these for just 2,500. The original AirPod Pros are for 22,000. That's crazy expensive. Now these clones are supposedly the closest to the originals. It has the H1 type chip, so you can get a pop-up on your iPhone when you flip open the cap. Same pairing process like the originals. Pressure sensors at the stems to change the tracks and to activate Siri. And you can also change the name of the AirPods in the Bluetooth settings, something we usually don't see in AirPod clones. Really interesting. Also, I'd like to see how well these work with Android phones. So let's unbox it, let's see how well they work, sound quality, and I'll let you know whether you should buy this or not. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Also follow me on my social media handles, you'll see the names right here. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. And there you go. Here's the AirPods Pro clone. The box looks absolutely identical to the original. You can see the picture in the back, the AirPods picture in the front. AirPods Pro with wireless charging. Can you believe that? And of course, everything else is the same. Here you can see some more details. It's even got a serial number. Anyway, so let's unbox these. Okay, right on the top, designed by Apple California. My God, look at the paperwork. Oh my God. Are you sure these are clones? They actually have legit, but there are no stickers, only paperwork. Okay, there are the AirPods Pro. We just keep these aside. Damn, we have a USB-C. Can you believe that? USB-C to Lightning. Okay. And there are the extra ear tips, 4 extra ear tips provided. Anything else? No. That's it. All right, here it is. Okay. Wow, that looks really, really legit. That looks really original. Oh, we have the green light coming on the top. Right here in the front. You can see the magnetic, just like the original AirPods, so they don't fall off the case. Okay. So this is got this magnet and it's got a spring. So one flip, lightning at the bottom, the pairing button on the back. Oh my God, that's too good. I can't believe it. The quality is incredible. If you look closer, there's even a serial number coding inside, something that you see only in the originals. So let's have a closer look at the AirPods. They're pretty good. Quality is pretty nice. Plastic, the build, the quality is fabulous. It's good. Okay. So this is where you know that these are not the originals, because the originals don't have this. The originals, their ear tips are different. These are the regular ones that you see in most earphones. All right, let's pair this and see. Here you go. Oh man, okay, not your AirPods Pro. Connect. Hold the button on the back. So we're holding the button on the back. And it's connecting. Wow. Okay. Media controls, noise controls. Okay, before that, okay. Check that out. Check that out, AirPods Pro. And can you see how responsive this is? That's amazing. That's really good. Okay, let's see inside the Bluetooth settings, AirPods Pro. So you can name them. Let's name them something. There you go. Take Singh's AirPods after you've renamed them. Great. What else do we have on them? Automatic ear detection. You can turn it on, turn it off. Left, you can choose for noise cancelling, transparency. But let me tell you, you can change this right here, but that actually won't make any difference. It'll just be the same because it doesn't have noise cancelling, it doesn't have transparency. But if you want to just show it off, you can actually. And this is the best part. Check this out, guys. You can see the new AirPods logo on the volume. Wait, here I'll show you. The new AirPods. They are the closest clones I've seen for the AirPods Pro. And you can change from here also to transparency or noise cancelling. But damn, they don't do anything. They're just there, but nothing changes. The sound remains absolutely the same. Alright, let's pair an Android phone with these AirPod clones. Go to Bluetooth. Alright, let's click refresh. We open these up and we press the button behind. Okay, you see a white light here, which means it's going to be in pairing mode. Let's refresh this. Okay, you can already see Take Singh's AirPods, so you don't even actually have to rename them. Okay, and damn, they're connected. So there you can see, you can take phone calls, media audio, input device. Wow, that's great. You can even rename it if you want to from here. From even on the Android phone, you can do it. Overall, it works. Let's wear these and see. Alright, we saw the pairing, we saw the Bluetooth settings, and now let's see how they fit. So they have these earbuds which go deep inside your ear canal. They set in very well. They almost create a seal where you can't hear anything from outside. Like right now, unless there is a really loud sound, I'm not going to be able to hear anything. In the originals, they have a transparency mode, which is where you can hear the ambient sound inside even after the seal. Of course, that feature is not there here. These are just basic earphones which create a very, very good seal. Overall, the fit of this is very good. They fit very well, they're light, they're comfortable, they don't hang too much like the AirPods. But anyway, I'm not complaining about them, but these are really good. They fit in very well, they snug in very well, they get a very, very good grip, they're not going to fall. So you can wear them for runs, you can wear them for jog. Very comfortable, casual listening, amazing. When it comes to the fit, I can say that the AirPods Pro clones fit very well. Coming to the pressure gestures on the stem. So obviously in the original, when you press them, you can set them for noise cancellation. You can press the other one for transparency and for Siri. By default, this is set to enabling Siri. So when I press this, it's actually enabled Siri. Oh my God. So hang on. So it's enabled Siri by pressing the stem here. So by this, you can change tracks, you can adjust the volume, you can ask Siri for some questions. All those things can be enabled. Hey Siri will not work, in case you were thinking that was not going to work. But yes, you can enable Siri and you can change the tracks. And when you pull it out of your ear, the audio pauses. When you put it back into your ear, the audio resumes. That feature also works with this. All right, talking about the sound quality. Let me tell you that they snug in very well, which creates a very good seal, and because of which the bass is amazing. Yes, I really like the bass is good. Mids and highs are okay. I feel that the trebles got a little squeaky at times, but overall pretty balanced sound. Of course, don't please try to compare them with the originals. Originals sound really good. The bass is really punchy. It's not going to be as soft as the original. It's really punchy. You can feel the thump in your ear. The vocals are pretty clear. Overall, in the sound department, I'll say actually they sound pretty good. They sounded better than I expected them to sound. They're pretty okay. They sound pretty bassy and pretty good. If it comes to the sound quality, I'll say they're above average actually. Yeah. Alright. I even use these for phone calls. I have only one word to describe it. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Now, I've used other clone AirPods before and they have been pretty decent when it came to phone calls. This one is outrightly terrible. So the opposite person clearly told me that as if I'm standing in the middle of an expressway or a runway where he could barely hear anything that I'm saying. I could hear him, that was fine because the speakers were snugged in deep, but the opposite person could barely hear me. So if you're considering this for phone calls, no. Yes, you can answer phone calls, you can press the stem, you can answer the call, you can press the stem and it disconnects the call. That feature works, but for talking, my God, it's going to be a nightmare. Also, this has wireless charging. Yes, I tested it, works pretty well, slower of course. So you can keep this on your wireless pad and it charges. All right, final thoughts. I'm sold. 2500 rupees for this is a steal. So first things first, if I hand this over to anyone, No one is going to tell me that these are fake. These don't look like fake, they don't look like clones, they look, in fact, when I opened them, even I thought they looked more original. They looked so good, they looked so real. The touch, the feel, the weight, the snap, the quality of the earbuds, the fit, everything is amazing. The only problem is I got this from AliExpress and I received them, and currently the logistics in our country are shut. Obviously, because of the COVID-19 problem, all things are at a standstill. But I'll leave the links in the description so you can buy it when things are a little normal, when you want to get into the phase. But I highly recommend you get these. I'll leave the links. Trust me, they will be worth it. You're not going to regret this. You're going to love this. Probably once you get this, you're going to call some more, because this is going to be a great gift also. It's a great gift item. But currently, of course, our country is going through a lot. We really hope that we are able to come out of the COVID-19, the coronavirus problem. This is my request to all of you. Stay indoors, watch YouTube, my videos, keep yourself clean, social distancing, very important. But once after that, you can get this. Really, really recommended. There's nothing that can go wrong with this. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any feedbacks. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.